Simple wiring instructions for CD Automation's power controller, REVO-S Single Phase, with DC linear input. Note, this video must be used in conjunction with the supplied operating manual, and specific reference to the health and safety notes and warnings. Wiring must be carried out by qualified personnel only. Connect your 12 volts or 24 volts auxiliary power supply to terminal marked 1. Connect your 0 volts auxiliary power supply to terminal 2. Connect your 0 volts or 4 milliamp input control signal to terminal marked negative. Connect your 10 volts or 20 milliamp input control signal to terminal marked positive. Wire your incoming phase voltage to L1. Wire your load connection to T1. Connect your earth cable to the unit's earth terminal. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful. If you'd like to speak with one of our friendly support team, call us on 01 323 811 100 or email support@cdautomation.co.uk. CD Automation. Expect better.